As the days grow longer and the temperatures rise, we all want to embrace the warmth and excitement that summer brings. Now, if you're planning to go on a beach getaway or a hiking adventure, or just simply enjoying your garden barbecues, it's crucial to prioritise your health during this season, and all year round really. Protecting your skin. One of the greatest joys of summer is feeling the warmth of the sun rays on your skin, but it's important to remember that prolonged exposure to ultraviolet UV radiation can have detrimental effects on your skin and your eyes. UV radiation is a significant risk factor for developing skin cancer. Tip 1. Use sunscreen. Apply a broad spectrum sunscreen with an SPF sun protection factor of at least 30 on all of exposed skin, even on those cloudy days. SPF measures protection against UVB rays that cause sunburn. But also check out the star rating, which ranges from 1 to 5 on the sunscreen bottle, and that indicates the level of UVA protection that it offers. UVA penetrates deeper into the skin and contributes to premature aging and also skin cancer. A higher star rating means that you have better UVA protection, making it essential to choose sunscreens with both high SPF and a high star rating for comprehensive sun protection. Remember to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours and immediately after swimming or sweating. Tip 2. Wear protective clothing. Consider wearing lightweight, loose-fitting, long-sleeve tops, wide-brimmed hats and sunglasses with UV protection. These measures can provide that physical barrier against harmful UV rays. It reduces the risk of sunburn and skin damage. Tip 3. Seek shade. Whenever possible, stay in the shade, especially during peak sun intensity hours, which are usually from 11 till 3 p.m. This simple step can significantly reduce your overall UV exposure, and it's also worth checking out the UV index on weather apps. It's a measure of the strength of ultraviolet radiation from the sun, and levels of 3 or above can cause skin damage and increase the risk of skin cancer with prolonged exposure. So during those times, you should try and seek shade whenever the UV index is 3 or higher. Keeping your body hydrated. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining optimal health, especially during these hot summer months when your risk of dehydration increases. Dehydration can lead to a range of issues, including heat exhaustion and heat stroke, which can be serious if not addressed promptly. Tip 4. Drink plenty of water. The amount of water one actually needs is often cited as between 6 and 8 glasses, but it can be really variable depending on a number of factors, including your height, weight, weather, activity levels. But it's a reasonable volume to aim for, and I would say if you are engaging in any physical activity or spending extended periods outdoors in the sun, consider more. Carry a reusable water bottle to make it easier to stay hydrated throughout the day. But if you are travelling in countries where the tap water may not be safe, do continue to just drink bottled water to avoid the risk of any waterborne illnesses, or consider water purification tablets. Tip 5. Eat hydrating foods. You can incorporate water-rich foods into your diet, things like cucumber, watermelon, strawberries, oranges, and these foods not only help keep you cool and hydrated, but they also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Homemade ice lollies are also a winner in our household for helping keeping your little ones hydrated on those hotter days. Tip 6. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol are diuretics, which means that they can increase the urine production and they can lead to dehydration if consumed in excess. It's fine to enjoy them in moderation, but just be mindful of your intake and mitigate the dehydrating effects of caffeine and alcohol just by drinking plenty of water alongside these beverages, especially in those hot days or when engaging in physical activity. Staying well whilst travelling. Summer often means travel. That could be a road trip, a flight to a distant destination, a weekend of camping, but regardless of the travel plans, maintaining your health whilst on the move is crucial. Tip 7. Pack a health kit. Be prepared with a travel health kit with essentials like hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, over-the-counter medications, things like ibuprofen or antihistamines, and a basic first aid kit, as well as any of your prescription medications that you might need. Tip 8. Practice good hygiene. Hand hygiene is important in every setting, but you may feel more exposed travelling through airports, public transport, and using public restrooms. Wash your hands frequently and use hand sanitizer when soap and water are not available. Tip 9. Stay active. Long periods of time spent in planes, cars, coaches and trains can lead to stiffness and fatigue, but a greater concern is that of a deep vein thrombosis, DVT. So try and stand up, stretch and walk around every 1 or 2 hours. And if you're on a plane, walk up and down the aisle. If you're driving, just take breaks to walk and stretch. You can even do simple leg exercises whilst in your seat to help maintain blood flow by flexing and extending your ankles and periodically lifting your knees to stimulate circulation. Compression stockings can also be worn to help improve your blood flow in the legs and reduce the risk of a clot formation. They apply gentle pressure to your legs by encouraging blood to flow back to your heart. Dehydration can also contribute to the risk of DVT, so again, maintain good hydration. Maintaining fitness in the heat. Staying active during the summer is important, but exercising in hot weather can require some extra precautions to avoid heat-related illnesses. Tip 10. Exercise early or late. Schedule your workouts for early in the morning or later in the evening when the temperatures are cooler. This reduces the risk of heat exhaustion and just allows you to enjoy your activity more comfortably. Tip 11. Wear breathable clothing. Choose lightweight, moisture-wicking fabrics that allow your skin to breathe and help you keep cool. Wear lighter colours as dark colours can absorb heat. Tip 12. Listen to your body. Look out for signs of heat exhaustion such as dizziness, nausea, headaches, excessive sweating, cramps, and a high temperature. If you experience any of these symptoms, stop exercising, move to a cooler location, cool down your skin using a fan, cool water, a spray, and remove any surplus clothing and hydrate immediately. Summer is a season of joy, adventure, relaxation, but it's also a time to be mindful of your health. So by following these simple tips for sun safety, hydration, healthy travel practices, and maintaining your fitness routine, you can ensure that your summer is not only fun, but also safe and healthy.